Hi, good afternoon, friends. This is Happy Sunday today, and today my baby is getting clean with the foam servicing. And you can see the people how they are making this my babe awesome, cleaning each and every part of it. Why? Yes, she's my darling. I can't live without this. This is my Royal Field, my trial. So let's see how the things are going on. Yeah, he's cleaning each and every part. All right. And as a know now, I feel very happy that he's taking care of my bike. It's my dream bike. So you can understand a single scratch will make my entire mood off. But I'm very happy the way they are doing. Okay, so I just want to say thank you so much, and I'll just make you see after wash. Okay, for the meantime, I just keep my phone on a pause. So now, after all the foam been cleaned, now it is been cleaning from a bike. Yes, the entire foam is out, and we're making sure that each and everything is out of foam. Yes, that's great to see. Or rather, I pay so much of money outside. I'm getting by this at my local place in Visakhapatnam, Baji Junction. End of this video, I will be giving you his address. Definitely, you can utilize him. Yes, he is really good. He is really good. He is doing it. So let's see. He is not at all feeling of water wastage. He is just making sure that everything is clean and clear. Alright, so just wait for a while. Let's see once it's been done. So I'm just pausing it now so that after washing how it looks. Thank you guys. Please wait for me a while. So now my bike has been washed and it has been kept in the sun so that the water gets dried up. And after this, you will be finding that how they apply the shining coat and other parts. So just give me a moment so that I'll just keep you on a pause for a while. Let the things get done. So hi friend, now Mr. Ganesh has come. He's the specialist for cleaning and applying what exactly needs to be. Yes, you can hear a sound, right? So now he's going to apply all the waxing and everything and make my bike look awesome. Like already it is awesome, but it will look more beautiful. So I'm just awaiting for Ganesh to do the things. In the meantime, let me just keep the things a pause for a while. So Mr. Ganesh have already started the thing proceeding. Let's see it from the other end what he is doing exactly. Now he is trying to get all the waterlet come out. Now yes, now the shining material is being injected, which will be sprayed on. Yeah, he did started that, and he's setting the nozzles, which will be the best for it. Yes, he got some white liquid. Wow. Now he's just getting it sprayed everywhere. Alright. So he's making sure that none of the place has been left. That's something good to know about. Yes, here's Mr. Ganesh, who's getting the things all done. Now he's just applying the spray, and after this he's going to give the polish. So just wait how he is getting it done. But I'm happy that my baby is getting beautiful. She's looking dashing. She's been looking awesome, and it's time for her to get married, which I'm not going to get it done. So let's see Mr. Ganesh how he's doing it. Oh, awesome, man. Awesome. I'm really happy the way he is doing. I now got this in Visakhapatnam, and that too I stay nearby to airport, NAD Cut Road, Baji Junction. This is the place where I have got this talent, and they are really doing good. So people, please do appreciate them, the way how they are working. For the Telugu people, namaskara sir. మీకు ఇంకా దీంతో మంచిది প্লেস একটা দরকার অ্যান্ড ফর দ্য বেঙ্গলি স্যার আপনারা এর চেয়ে বেশি কিছু পাবেন না যদি আপনার সত্যিকারের বাইক ভালো চান ক্লিন চান তাহলে আপনি এখানে এসে এনার সাথে কন্ট্যাক্ট করেন আমি আপনাকে ভিডিওর এন্ডে তোমাদের বলবো ওনার নাম আর ওনার অ্যাড্রেস তো আপনারা ততক্ষণ দেখেন কত ভালো করে উনি করছেন तो दोस्तों आप लोग देख रहे हैं जहाँ पे हमारे गणेश भाई मेरी गाड़ी मेरी जान मेरी दिलरुबा को किस तरह से पॉलिश कर रहे हैं जस्ट एक 100 रुपये के लिए इतना तो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था देखते हैं कितनी सुंदर लगती है मेरी मुन्नी मेरी बाइक का नाम है जो है मुन्नी तो देखते हैं कितनी सुंदर लगती है वो तो बट मुझे जो लग रहा है तो मैं बहुत हैप्पी हूँ जिस तरह से ये लोग कर रहे हैं और 100 रुपये में इतनी हसीन दिलरुबा कहाँ मिलेगी आपको सो आप लोग जस्ट वेट कीजिए एक बार पॉलिश होने के बाद मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि मेरी मुनिया कैसी लग रही है आपको సో జనాలు ఒక్కసారి ఎన్ని అయిన తర్వాత నేను చూస్తాను నా బండి పేరు మున్ని కండిషన్ చూపెడతాను ఓకే సో పీపుల్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు జస్ట్ షో మై డార్లింగ్ మున్ని how she looks after being all the procedures and yes people it's only for 100 rupees not more than that so you can afford that thank you so much so just be awaiting for me give me a moment so that I can show you once it has been done so people you can see that Ganesh has cleaned this vehicle and he has delivered me this beautiful shiny vehicle just for 100 rupees so say hi to Ganesh hi Ganesh hi thank you hey now you can meet the owner the self-made man he's old man but he still has a driving for his earning so let's meet sir please tell your name
వాడకం చేస్తామండి 100 రూపాయల బండికి 10 షాప్ ఇస్తామని చెప్పారండి ఓకే సార్
Alright, so he's so simple that he just said his menu, but he doesn't, what he said, it doesn't mean exactly. He gives more than what you require. So people, please do make a like for this channel and get your vehicle done here. Okay, he will be really happy and yes the people who deserve should get this right thank you so much for seeing my video and please do subscribe for my video thank you so much all the Royal Enfield family I love you bye bye and people this is my first video so please do give me a like thank you